Good morning, students. Welcome back again with another topic of chapter 8, that is body movements. In the previous video, we have studied about joints and types of joint. Students, when we see an organism, we usually see the external body. But each and every organism have something internally in their body, and that is framework of bone. It is called a skeletal system. It comprises bones and cartilage. This framework of bones and cartilage which support the body of an animal is called skeleton. Now, this skeletal system is made up of 206 bones and cartilage. इस सिस्टम में जो हार्ड पार्ट होता है वो बोन कहलाता है एंड जो सॉफ्ट पार्ट होता है वो कार्टिलेज कहलाता है. Here in this picture you can see this complete skeletal system. It is made up of different bones. So let's discuss these parts one by one. First, uppermost part is called skull. It protects brain as well as the spatial sense organs. Lower jaw is movable, which helps us in eating, talking and singing. Now, basically it has two main parts. First is upper part or we can say cranial. ये पार्ट ब्रेन को प्रोटेक्ट करता है एंड इसकी जो बोन्स होती है वो फ्लैट होती है और आपस में जॉइंट होती है. सेकंड पार्ट है फेशियल बोन. इसमें अपर जॉ, लोअर जॉ एंड कुछ बोन्स होती है. सो दिस वाज हेड स्ट्रक्चर. नाउ नेक्स्ट वी विल टॉक अबाउट बैकबोन. This is the part with the help of which we can bend or twist, and it extends from the base of the skull to the hip. It consists 33 small rings like bones called vertebrae. Next, these are joined to each other and form a hollow bony tube-like structure. So, the spinal cord passes through this structure. Students, the fact is that it can hold hundreds of kilograms of weight for adult person. Next part is rib cage or chest bone. Chest bone form a cone-shaped bony box called rib cage. Okay, now look at this picture. This picture is showing that these cone or elliptical bones, these are called ribs. Next part is shoulder bones. Basically this bone is formed by clavicle and shoulder blade or we can say scapula. ये chest को arm से connect करती है. Here you can see in the given picture also. Next bone is hip or pelvic bone. It is basically formed by three bones. This is the part we sit on. That means this part helps us in sitting. This bone is helping us in sitting. Now, the thigh bones are attached to either side of the griddle with a ball and socket joint. Here you can see in the given picture also. Now, next part is arm and hand bones. It is usually consist upper arm, forearm, wrist, palm and fingers. The long bones of upper arm called humerus and जो फोर आर्म होती है उसमें दो लॉन्ग बोन्स होती है जो कहलाती हैं रेडियस एंड उल्ना. नाउ नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज लेग बोन. लेग इंक्लूड करता है हमारी थाई को, लोअर लेग को, एंकल को, फुट को एंड टोज को. नाउ द थाई बोन और वी कैन से फीमर इज द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट बोन. जो थाई बोन होती है हमारी और जिसको हम फीमर भी कहते हैं वो सबसे स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट एंड लॉन्गेस्ट बोन होती है हमारी बॉडी में. इट बियर मोस्ट ऑफ द वेट ऑफ आवर बॉडी. मैक्सिमम वेट जो होता है हमारी बॉडी का ये बियर करती है. लोअर लेग कंसिस्ट टू बोन्स कॉल्ड टिबिया एंड फिबुला. नाउ नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज कार्टिलेज. It is the additional part of our skeletal system. These are soft and can be bent. They have widely spaced cells suspended in a matrix of proteins and sugars. The upper part of the ear cartilage you can see in the given picture also. This is an example of a cartilage. Now let's see the function of our skeletal system. As in the starting I have explained that it forms framework of the body. Second, ये हमारी बॉडी ऑर्गन्स को प्रोटेक्ट करता है. नेक्स्ट, ये हमारी बॉडी को सपोर्ट एंड शेप देता है. जो लॉन्ग बोन होती है हमारे स्केलेटल सिस्टम की, उसमें एक बोन मैरो होती है जिनमें रेड ब्लड सेल्स डेवलप होते हैं. नाउ लास्ट पॉइंट इज, with the help of muscles it helps in the movement of the various part of the body. That means it helps in the movement of the body. So this was a complete explanation of our skeletal system.